Life as a BRZ owner, right?
All right, let's do this.
Yeah, let's go. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to Track Cues. Today we're back at Canadian Tire Motorsports Park, but this time instead of DDT, we're at the big track, the Grand Prix track. It's a lot faster than DDT, and it's also my first time here, so it's gonna be a day full of learning and experimenting, and I'm gonna have Jason from Two Track Mind as my instructor. Let's go. Alright, let's go. So anything you think people should know about this track or the differences between this track and the DDT?
So biggest thing is GP. Obviously the elevation is the first thing that everyone talks about, but I think the more nuanced answer is really the corners are very long. So when it comes to turn-in and smooth turning, gradual turning, that is very paramount to find yourself on the right spot on the track.
All right.
Because everyone's kind of used to very abrupt, short corners. Here it's not the case. You know, like turn 2 that we're on right now, it lasts like a good couple of seconds, right, before you get to the exit.
Yeah.
Look at the curve, turn it in. All right, look for the second curve, late apex, very late on the throttle. There we go. Late apex again, and keep it tight, relax the wheel a bit. There you go. Bottom corner, also a little late apex. Look for the exits. Use all of it. Very good. Nice. Good corner. All the black stuff. Late apex. On the throttle. Look for the exit. Now look at the Marshall station. Turn it at the crest. First apex. Look for the second one, that's the important one. Alright, on the throttle, relax the wheel. Very good. Follow the black line, late apex. Alright, on the throttle, look for the exit. Keep me up with this guy. Let's go. Alright, just a little lift. Turn it in. Slow on the throttle. Yeah. There you go. Alright, let's reel him in. Alright, on the throttle. There you go. Punch out of that one. Nice.
Turn 4 was better, right?
Yeah, it was good. You can get on partial throttle even earlier, but I felt it. I felt it when you got on the throttle, it stabilized.
Okay.
Turn it in, let's go. Yeah, look for the second apex, look through the corner. On the throttle. Yeah, keep it tight but loose. Very good. All right, let's let the Camaro by on our right. I want you to try carrying a little bit more speed through 8. Yeah, turn it, go. Yep, there you go, very nice. Now look for the second apex, okay? Throttle, throttle, throttle. Very good. Relax, relax. Yeah, okay, there you go. Look for the exit. On the throttle. Nice. Very good, that's good.
Yeah, there's a lot more grip available at turn 8, like you said.
Stay on the black stuff.
Yeah.
Look for the Marshall. Very good. Bend the throttle. Relax the steering. Yep. And for the exit. good.
I was gonna stay on gas, but I wanted to give him a little bit more space.
Yeah, you don't know what's gonna happen in four.
Yeah.
It's good to give them a little space. So fast on the straight, man. It's okay, we'll reel him in. Exit. Very good. To the Marshall. Easy, yep. Gentle, gentle. Relaxed steering. Yeah. Good. Right. Very good. Good line. Yep. Very nice. Good exit.
All right, let's go.
Yep, on the throttle. To the Marshall. Ready. A little bit of throttle. Hit the apex, look for the exit. Unwind. Great. Good. Late apex. On the throttle. Throttle. Yeah, pretty good. turn. Right, there you go. Release, yep. The Corvette behind us. Slam by, yep, good. Yep, there you go. Throttle. Goodbye, nice, very good. Hello, throttle. Look for the exit. Alright, look for the marshal. Very good. Nail the apex, look for the exit. Yeah, look for the exit. Left a little later.
Sorry?
Yeah, that's good, that's good. Throttle. Chancellor on the brakes. Release. Very good, there you go. Very nice. Good job. The throttle, look for the apex. Relax, yeah, there you go, nice routine. Very good. Look for the exit. Good. Low throttle. For the exit. Marshal station. Nice. Very good. Throttle. Yeah, there you go. Very nice. Very good. Throttle. There you go. Good stuff, man. Very good. Very nice. Very smooth. dude. Very good. For the exit. Apex, throttle, look for the exit. Nice. Good job.
Alright guys, that's it for today. It was a great experience. Learning a new track is always a little bit challenging, but at the end of today, it's really rewarding to see how fast you become throughout the day. Thank you so much to Jason from True Track Mind. Make sure to check his channel out. I'm gonna put a link in the description below. We also recently did a podcast with him, so make sure to check that out too. So I didn't get a chance to time myself today. We really didn't wanna focus on our lap times. We wanted to focus on my driving line, braking points, turn-ins, exits, reference points, that kind of stuff. I'll be back at this track the day after tomorrow, and I will be able to time myself that day as well. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video when it comes out. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.